friends, today I would like to talk on the topic of health is wealth. Nature has given us so many things to eat and so many beautiful places to see and enjoy. We can do all this if we are healthy. If we offer or if we suffer from diseases, we cannot enjoy the pleasures of life. Today, in this materialistic world, people do not have a time. They are always in a hurry to do the things. Tension is always gripping their minds. Besides tensions, there is a pollution, adulteration, pesticides in eatables, etc., which keeps good health away from us. It has become very difficult to maintain good health. Dear friends, there are certain things which are necessary to be healthy. Managing our time well is the most important. We people should keep a few hours aside for our own selves. We should consume this time to maintain our body and mind. Early rising is the key to good health. We should sleep early in the night so that we can get up early in the morning. We should go out for a morning walk daily. It is a big booster for our health. We should take exercise daily to keep the body fit. In the way exercise keeps our body fit, in the similar way yoga and meditation keeps our mind fit. Meditation provides peace our mind. Meditation keeps high blood pressures and tension away from our mind. Healthy eating is the second step towards health body. Food should be eaten properly and with time. Junk food should be avoided. Fried food should also be avoided. A balanced diet should be taken. We should eat clean food. Friends, I would like to talk another topic related with this part. The another part is also cleanliness. Cleanliness is very essential for good health. Our surroundings should be clean so that we breathe in clean air. Clean surroundings prevents epidemics and other diseases. So, one should avoid to do anything which destroys our health. Only a healthy person can enjoy comforts of life. Thank you.